Hi, I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations here at Lovely Skin, and today I'm joined by a special guest, Corey Ramos of SkinCeuticals.
Hi, Chrissy. I'm so excited to be here today.
What are we talking about?
Today we are talking about the new A.G.E Advanced Eye. This is the newest innovation from SkinCeuticals. It's actually also a renovation.
An innovation and a renovation. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Definitely. So this formula includes new high-tech ingredients like Matrixyl 3000, as well as caffeine and wild fruit flavonoids. Now, this may look familiar to some people watching. You may have used or heard about A.G.E Eye Complex. Now, this formula is going to give you all of those amazing benefits and more, specifically working on crow's feet, dullness, and wrinkles. And around the eye area, we really start to see those come through pretty early, right?
Can you tell us a little bit about the diffusing technology in the product?
Definitely. So this formula contains optical diffusers that work across all skin tones, and it really just gives you that lit from within glow, a beautiful radiance. I'll let you try it. And it really helps to counteract dullness, to give you, like, even if you didn't sleep a full 8 hours, it really does look like you did.
I need that some days, late nights out at the office or, you know, with the little kids. I just need a little pick-me-up in the morning to get going.
Definitely. And we really do start to see the eye area age very quickly, right? The skin is thinner there, collagen is impacted there earlier and sooner. So this formula really helps to counteract and improve the density of the eye area, really helps to bring collagen back to its flexible and resilient state.
That bounce.
That bounce,
Yes.
right? Plus it offers 24 hours of hydration, which we love, and instantly gives the eye some radiance too.
Corey, thank you so much for joining me today. We're so excited to have the new SkinCeuticals A.G.E Advanced Eye on lovelyskin.com.
Thank you for having me, and I can't wait for all of you to try the new A.G.E Advanced Eye and let us know what you think.
Like this video and subscribe to our page for more content just like this.